Check. Mouth check. We're live on a what's today?
Tuesday. It's my favorite day.
It's always
because
Tuesday.
Every day I wake up early, get the work done early, and know that Tuesday we're going live.
We are doing it live, ladies and gents. You already shot a video today, didn't you?
I shot a big time video today. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah, you're proud of yourself on that one.
I am, and I don't even care if it gets the view, but I hope people enjoy it and take the information because it was kind of a surprise video, but a good one. A very good video that I liked it. And it was a different editing skill. It was a different way to research things. It was just different. It was one I've never shot before, so it made it interesting, and I got kind of addicted to it. And that's why I spent too long on it.
That's a good thing, and it'll be beneficial for you watching right now. So
I hope so.
Make sure that you tune in tomorrow. It looks like Colin is putting that up around
11:45.
11:45 tomorrow.
11:45
So
tomorrow.
hop on in right before lunch, right after lunch, or that's Central Standard Time, by the way. We have lots to talk about today. We always have lots to talk about today. We can talk for hours. Just for
I
fun.
honestly thought about it. I was like, man, there's nothing to talk about. And then I just kept writing. And I'm like, oh, we got to take this off. We got to take this off. Oh, shoot, Joe's going over Trading View. We got to take this off.
We got too much to talk about.
Oh, my gosh.
Okay, cool. What are some of the things we're talking about today?
First off, if you are in the chat and you would like the video for us, that would be awesome. We've been having some good traction lately.
We have, especially from you, Photo Geek. Thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, brother.
Photo Geek is the man.
Own it.
The man. Always on it. And, like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe anyways. Usual.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about the market. Everything happens to be green today. Everything's feeling good. We're feeling a little fuzzy in the undercarriage right now. Feeling
Don't
good.
buy.
Yeah, that's
Don't buy
something we're gonna talk about here in a minute too. So we'll talk about TradingView. We'll look at Bitcoin, and we're gonna do a little different take on Bitcoin today of kind of where we're at. We always typically tend to look at the 4 hour. We're gonna look at something a little bit different. Talk about that. We have lots to talk about.
I don't even know if we can run all down this. Canada, Fidelity launching ETP and internationally, like let's go. Crypto airdrop video tomorrow, just a little brief summary. Billionaires. I mean, we got it all today.
Yeah.
We got NFT official. We have the art.
We have the art.
We have the art. We're not going to show you today. I don't think. Are we showing them today?
No.
We're not showing you today. But we have the art, and now we've got after this, we're going to brainstorm some new, what do we call them?
Layers?
New layers.
Yeah.
New layers to the art that we want to create. Our guy came through. He's the man. And, he's legit.
Dude, I told you, man.
He's on it.
I told you.
He's on it, and we've got a lot going with our NFT, and we are happy. Twitter, Discord, website, all coming. It'll be 100% legit, as the Crypto Boys always do.
That's right. Boom, bringing it to you. Okay, I say we just get rolling.
Let's do it.
Right into CoinMarketCap.
Yeah, we got to get going. We got a lot to do today.
That we do.
CoinMarketCap. And I need to show you guys. Okay. CoinMarketCap.
Where's the market
we're
cap?
inching.
Oh, yeah, we are.
We're inching. We were down to like 1.6 yesterday, weren't we?
Yeah, just south of 2 trillion right now. That is pretty awesome. Bitcoin dominance 42%. Check that out. Okay.
42%. All right.
Yeah, it's kind of high.
Just over. All right. So Bitcoin ripped overnight. I woke up at like 3:15 in the morning. I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing's over 44K right now. I can't even go back to sleep.
Yep. We talked yesterday on the live stream about Ethereum being at 2,800 or something like that, and now it's up almost 8% just in the last day. It's ripping. Everything's
I
ripping
tell you,
right now.
for a project that's that big with that kind of market cap and that kind of structure behind it, it's hard to do now.
It's crazy. You just don't get these swings in the regular trade in your stock.
No.
If it goes up 0.5%, people are like, "Oh, it's crazy. We're up so much." Not here in crypto, ladies and gentlemen.
No.
Man,
all right.
B&B swings so much.
It does,
$30, $40, $50 like crazy.
Definitely avoided that project, but
I have
don't know
two
if
thus
it's good,
far.
bad, or happy or sad. XRP up a little bit. I don't hate it.
Yeah.
It's still chilling, way undervalued in my opinion, but is what it is. Cardano up a little bit.
It is actually. That kind of feels good.
Cardano needs to hit the 150 mark. It needs to hit the $1.50 mark. After that, it becomes a very bullish trend. It moves a bunch of several moving averages. $1.50. I'm not even looking at it till it hits over $1.50.
Yeah, I think I bought it like a long time ago, way at the top of the market. So it needs to go above $2 for me to be happy.
Yeah, well, it needs to go above $2 for me to be happy too. To be fair.
Yeah.
Doji,
even stupid Doji.
Terra, Shiba, skip.
Yep.
Polygon.
Man, I really want that under $1. I really do, because I want to buy it under $1 is kind of my price entry point. I don't know if it's going to get down there again. If it doesn't, I missed the mark. So
especially from our next point on TradingView, you're going to realize that it's a pretty bullish trading view today.
Yeah, I would completely agree with you.
Crypto.com. We're going to skip. I mean, there's a lot of good near protocol I've been hearing a bunch about. FTX token, yeah, it's been not doing too bad.
Yeah, that one actually went up after the Super Bowl. Unlike Crypto.com went.
You know why? Because it actually had a good article, or had a good commercial.
It did.
All right, next up, VeChain. VeChain, I'm telling you, I'm about to put a bag on VeChain. I've sold out of some positions recently, a little bit of XRP. I'm just telling you, full, open book here. And I'm throwing it on VeChain. As soon as VeChain gets down to under 6 cents again, around that 5.5 cent mark, I'm throwing
just
a bag.
Asked, is XRP a good buy zone? What is your take on that right now?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. I am comfortable with anything under $1. We got in several months ago, and our one buddy Tanner, who we talk a lot about on the channel, got into XRP almost a year ago now, and he really waited for a dip and got it at like 79 cents, and he thought he was all world because he ran it up to like $1.30, and he put some real money on it. And now it's obviously went way below.
Yeah, now we're back to where we started.
But yeah, I think, to answer your question, I think so. What do you think?
I agree with you. Yeah. 80 cents is a phenomenal buy. Under $1 is going to be an awesome buy in my personal opinion. We're just playing this game with XRP, man. We're just waiting for it to pop off.
Yep, absolutely. Good question.
Yep. Okay, little Tezos up today. That's always cool. Always good to feel. Gala up again. Holy crap-a-roly, 20%. That thing just ripped too the other day.
Thing just rolls.
It's because of Snoop Dogg.
Honestly, I think that we haven't done a video on that yet, have we?
Snoop Dogg?
No, Gala.
Oh no,
I don't care about Snoop Dogg.
I'll do one on Gala.
I think you should do one on Gala because I think that would rip too.
Cool. Harmony's under 20 cents still. Again, we've talked about that. Hey, Jonathan in the chat. From the Philippines.
Jonathan, did you get your money?
Yeah, why don't you comment if you got your money or not?
You get your money, girl?
Everyone's saying we're fakers, but we're not fakers.
That's we're faking, yeah.
Cool. Show the transaction. Send it in the
comment. We're from
comment.
Iowa. You can't even lie if you're from Iowa, I feel like. You have to be honest.
That's right.
That's like the only thing we got going for us.
Yeah, we do. Hey, how's your day today? Good. How's yours? Oh, good. Yeah. Thank you.
At least we're honest.
All right, guys. Let's go to TradingView. Now, okay, I'm going to pop this guy over here. We can...
Look who's calling me.
Yes, he is. You want to answer that?
No.
Tanner, speak of the devil.
Tanner.
Okay, guys, we're looking at the daily chart. Normally we look at the 4-hour chart. So daily, each candle is 1 day at a time. So a little bit of an uptrend really over the last week or so. We kind of know that. We understand that we're breaking out of this downward action pattern. Really high day, bringing you in right here. Now, what I do want to talk about, because we've been looking at the 4-hour, we've been looking at it super zoomed in. Yes, it's on an uptrend. We're bouncing back and forth here in the 42 to 44, but check this out, guys. If we're going to zoom out, we're going back lots and lots and lots and lots of days. If we pull this down and pull this over, let's just look and see where we have come. I mean, Colin, what do you think about that chart right there?
I mean, that's pretty dang bullish. Where are we at over here? What's the timeline?
This is looks like September of 2018.
Seriously?
Yeah, this is 19. This is
that's that far out?
Yeah, getting into 20, early 20.
That's
we had
bullish,
that big fat dip there.
It was that March right
You know
there.
what happened and stuff like that. And then it's been on an uphill climb since then. So, guys, if you just want to look at where you are at, where we have come from, these lows down here, chart. They have only gone up in this direction. So if you think, well, the difference between my 44K buy or my 50K buy, am I really losing out on a ton of money? Man, in the long term, it's all going to be winning.
Honestly, I'm gonna quote Lark Davis that I heard, I think Saturday. He's like, I am buying Bitcoin as much as I can under 50, and I don't care what it's at. I mean, that's the way to do it, though. Seriously, I don't care what it's at. He's like, I bought a crap ton at 34. I just bought more at 44.
Yeah.
He literally said that. He's like, I bought a bunch at 34, but I bought more at 44. That's how bullish he is, and that's how you DCA. That's how you win in this game a lot of times.
For sure. Especially something that is stable, like stable. Bitcoin, Ethereum, like those top 2, 3, 4 projects. If you just keep DCAing, knowing that, hey, in the long run, mass adoption coming, everyone's going to make money. If you throw it in now, you're going to be happy. Now it's it's not gonna be the 100x's like we talk about on the channel, but it's gonna be 2, 5, 10, 12x, something like that.
And that's where 80% of your money should be. And in my opinion, Cardano. That's the baby right there. That's the baby.
All right, well, let's move on. That was a good trend that we wanted to see.
That was a good one. That was a nice trading view. I like that. A little mix-up.
A little mixy.
All right, let's get into some news. Canada's Trudeau enacts Emergencies Act.
Yep, and crypto is included.
He includes, though, crypto.
Yeah, so what is he trying to say here?
So basically what he's trying to say is that he can stop funding in basically any accounts that he deems against the government, I guess. And he can cut them. But I don't know how that's going to happen on a decentralized network.
No, he's very pissed off that the truckers
just
are doing what they're doing.
Yeah,
we've talked about it a couple times. I made a short about it. They really did. They're very unhappy with the whole situation, but I just don't think he understands how Bitcoin works, how the blockchain works.
Yeah,
like,
I don't know
you
either.
Can't put a big stop button on it.
Yeah,
doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work that way. It's not going to work that way for you, and you're just going to have people going behind your back, and the government's getting issues. I don't know. I don't even want to get into it. I'm just saying Canada's usually they're laughing at the United States. At least the U.S. gets a little laugh right now.
Just a little chuckle.
Because we get a little bit of a chuckle being like, all right.
That's right.
I love living in the U.S.
I saw Greg Doucette. We did a bunch of Greg Doucette videos back in the day when we were doing a bunch of fitness stuff. He's ripping on everyone in Canada right now. Like, are you kidding me? These guys are idiots right now thinking this, and this. He's from Canada, so the guy's hilarious.
And he wants to move to the United States.
He does.
He's like, they won't take me. I'll do anything. How much you want? But he's a good dude. If you like into fitness stuff, good dude.
Yeah, definitely look him up.
Let's move on. Now, this one I love. Fidelity. Oh, shoot. I always forget to hit that button. All right. Fidelity International debuts Bitcoin ETP in Europe. Let's go. Mass adoption is here, y'all.
Right.
It is here.
Very bullish, of course. Yeah, Fidelity International is listing its first Bitcoin exchange traded product, or ETP, on the whatever that is in their country.
In
Frankfurt. I actually
so
grew
like
up in
7. I want to say 7 of 10 mass of people with whatever a certain amount of money, so they're going to be holding and buying Bitcoin in Europe.
I did see that as well. So that is huge news, guys. It's happening in other parts of the world, and this is just news that we're looking at, right? So I mean, if you guys are in these countries, at Philippines, for example, we were just talking to someone the other day. If you're in Canada, if you're in these places, let us know. Drop comments down below of how mass adoption is happening in your country, because we want to hear everyday stuff and make it real for everyone else watching.
And if you got any video ideas or anything you guys want us to cover, let us know too. We've got a couple good video ideas that way, so throw them out.
Yeah, cool.
All right, let's go on to the next one here. And here we were going to talk a little bit about airdrops. So I've got a big video coming out tomorrow. Try to switch things up a little bit. Joe and I have been really working hard on something that you wouldn't think about, is that we've been working hard on helping our style of editing and how to get better at it. We're not computer people whatsoever. Like, when we bought this computer, I didn't even really know how to open it. I didn't know how to do anything, and neither did really he. He's better than me at computers, but to keep getting better and increasing, and I think the airdrop video tomorrow with the information and how it's put together, I think you guys are going to like it. Now, one thing I wanted to get into is that you can make a ton of money off of airdrops, and you're going to see it in the video tomorrow at 11:45 Central Time. And you're going to see that airdrops.io is in there, so you can kind of look at some airdrops that might be coming, and you can stake them. But again, all that's explained in the video tomorrow. And then you've got airdropalert.com is another good place to go to. So again, these are just other ways to pad your bank account and to pad your stats for crypto, where you can make more money. I mean, there are people, and you're going to hear this, but there are people making 6 figures off of airdrop chasing. 7 figures off of chasing airdrops.
Just to clear the air of anyone watching, if you're new to crypto, give us a 2-second synopsis of what the heck is an airdrop. Just as easy as you possibly can of what even is an airdrop.
Brand new coin, sends out their tokens to their community members, so it starts to go viral, essentially.
That's right. Easy as that. They want to push the coins out into the market. They want to say, hey, thanks for being part of us in the very beginning. Here's a bunch of coins.
That's it.
That's how they do it.
That's simple.
So it's awesome. It's a great way to introduce a coin.
And I do mention 2 projects that I'm going to be getting into, so stick around to the end, and I put timestamps in so you can see all that too.
time stamps or time stamps?
I can't talk.
Okay, yeah. So we'll check that video out tomorrow.
More billionaires. A little old article, but a good article. More billionaires are turning to crypto.
That they are. Why would a billionaire turn to crypto if the U.S. dollar is the best thing on the entire planet?
I don't know, Joey.
I think it might not be the best thing on the entire planet.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're turning to crypto on fiat inflation fears. Everyone knows.
You also have to remember, if you've seen anything like Grant Cardone's done, which if you like him, you like him. If you don't like him, you don't like him type of thing. But billionaires don't keep money. They don't keep money around them. Like Grant Cardone says, I go broke twice a year because he's investing everything he has. Otherwise, he's going to be paying so many taxes. It's ridiculous. So they don't keep money. They invest it. And this is one thing that everybody's picking up. And obviously, Grant Cardone does a real estate thing, but a lot of them are turning now to something easier that's going to be more mass adopted than anything around. And that's going to be your
Bitcoin, your crypto. Yeah, exactly right. And it's a weird way to think about that, because I guess if you've never been taught this way of thinking, it's kind of like Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you guys ever read that book, Robert Kiyosaki, or however you say his last name, it's a different way to think about your money. You know, make your money make you more money. Yes. And ways to do that, unfortunately, actually, is to go broke. To take that money, take a massive lump sum from the bank or something like that in something that you truly believe in that's going to make you a crap ton of money, and then pay that loan back or whatever else.
And of course, not financial advice. And Carrie, and I appreciate you being in the chat. Hey, but yeah, that's what they do. That's what they preach. That's what they do. That's kind of what I do too. Yeah, to be honest.
That's what you had to do for opening up to this gym, didn't you?
100%. That's what you got to do. All right,
sweet. Okay, cool. Let's move on, shall we?
JP Morgan.
JP Morgan.
What is JP Morgan doing? Are they the first bank in the metaverse?
That is correct, my friend.
No.
It looks
metaverse is blowing up lately.
New business opportunities. So, yeah, Wall Street Bank has opened a lounge in blockchain-based Decentraland. Let's go! I own Decentraland.
I tell you what, Joe is on top of the metaverse. He's got your guys' back. If you guys are metaverse people, I just can't get there. I can't get there. I can't do it. I'm not wearing the Oculus. I'm not punching the air. I'm not aerobic exercise. I'm not doing it. It's not happening.
That's why yin and yang works, because some people can do it. Some people can't. Some people with it. Some people ain't with it. You know what I mean? He's taller. I'm shorter. You know, things work like that. You know?
They do.
So I am with the metaverse 100%. I got some Decentraland. I'm probably going to put another fat bag in it when it drops down again. I don't have any Sandbox, though. I know Sandbox is hot and it always rips and I miss it every time, but Decentraland is where it's at right now, I feel like.
The only thing I really want to buy is maybe Pavia, but it's so early. And that's on Sunday Swap. It's very hard to get. And Sunday Swap had some bullish news today, too, that we don't even have, that maybe they're getting listed on something else as well or something.
That would be massive.
I mean, Sunday Swap, and we got the airdrop. We just got the airdrop. Well, we don't get it till March 1st, but let's go.
So all good stuff for sure. And if you look at any charts, anytime a new exchange gets put, or a new coin or whatever gets put on a bunch more exchanges, their price tends to go up. I don't know if I've ever seen it just tank really hard. That doesn't happen that way.
There may be people, buying the rumor or whatever, selling the news type of shit.
But not often.
All right. What do we got next?
We got, this is a cool one.
This one's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie.
CNBC has a new sector of crypto world. I believe, and we could be wrong here, but we were trying to find out. We think that it started literally yesterday, maybe the day before. Within this week, they are starting this crypto world
segment.
Yeah, this segment. So they're bringing you they're copying off of the Crypto Boys, trying to bring you the latest and greatest.
Yeah, I hate it when people copy us.
Exactly.
We're like the 100 million thousandth crypto channel.
Yeah,
just happen to be growing really
fast. But thanks for joining with us. Yeah. So awesome news here. Yeah, we're talking about the Colorado governor plans to make the state a leader in crypto acceptance. So maybe they're the ones that add that Uber into their state. I don't even know if there is Ubers there. But
are they going to take out Miami? Because Miami's #1 right now.
Yeah, it
is. Florida's #1, everything.
Do you know, or have you heard anything about that Miami coin? You know how they were trying to do a city coin? I haven't heard much about it since it's come out. I don't know if it worked or failed or what, but
I bet it's so far behind it's going to take some time.
Probably maybe 5-10 years. Who knows? What do you guys know about that? Anything about the city coins or anything like that? Also, while you're in here, you might as well give that thumbs up to us if you're watching and you like anything about my shirt that happens to look really weird on camera, or Colin's shirt, which pretty Iowa shirt.
All Saints, no big deal.
That's right. Okay, moving on to
probably some pretty big news. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
So
we talked about this yesterday.
Ukraine, Russia talked about it yesterday, but it needs to be brought up today because big news developed. Nothing's going to really happen.
Yeah.
I don't think things are stepping back. They're calming down. It looks better. It looks bullish for us.
Yeah, for sure. Anytime you don't go to war, that would probably be the best case scenario. So, Carrie, where are you from? What city?
Yeah, Carrie, where are you from?
You want one for your city, but yeah,
I'll take a coin for our city too.
Yeah, Ukraine, Russia. I mean, the tensions are up there, but at the same time, like no one, especially not Russia, no one wants to go to war, especially because everyone's backing Ukraine, saying, hey, if you start to do that, we're gonna have to kind of be mad with you.
We're gonna have to do some things that we don't want to do.
We don't want to do it. So, I'm interested to see kind of as well. Maybe we can do a quad city coin.
Quad City coin. Hey, we got a Quad City meetup this weekend.
We do. The 19th.
Go. If you guys are from the Quad Cities, we hope to see you down there 19th or this Saturday, 6 p.m. Armored Gardens. Let's go.
That's right. Yeah.
Quad City Crypto Club.
That will be awesome. We're actually trying to align something for Saturday afternoon. We'll keep you guys updated with that. We're going to talk about more about that at a later date. Yep. But Saturday night, we are going to do Crypto Club meetup, so really, really exciting. Oh, Carrie's from Boston, eh? Boston.
I've never been there, but it's like one of the most cities that I want to get to. Like, it's on top of my list.
Cool. Yeah, Boston.
Top of my list.
Boston's definitely hot.
Hey, what do you think about this weekend? Are we going to do a lot of it on our Instagram? Is that what you're thinking for when we get there and actually if anybody shows up or if it's just me and you?
That's a good idea. Yeah.
Okay, we could do that too. We'll see.
Hop on our Instagram, guys. We will put
we'll probably put some on YouTube too.
Yep, we probably will. But if you don't follow us on Instagram, you might as well do that. The link is down below in the actual comment section. You might as well do that. Just hop over there. We have Twitter on there. We have I think that's it. Maybe one other thing. Our TikTok.
Our Instagram, our social media needs to get a little bit better.
It ain't great.
But it ain't gonna get much better until we get another person in here helping us out.
Right. Yeah.
So we got these full-time jobs.
Yeah, we got full-time jobs. We're trying to give you the latest and great. I mean, honestly, I'm in between patients at work, and I'm like, okay, what's the latest crypto news? I got literally 3 minutes. I'm trying to look stuff up. 3 minutes.
Give me as much as I can.
Yeah. So I love this stuff. I really, really do. I thoroughly enjoy what we're doing right now. So yeah, I do. What about you? What's your take right now? The feel, the market. We're up. We're down. What's going on right now in your head about everything going on, Colin?
Simply put, man, I've been a bull since a long time. You know that. I haven't wavered 1 second or 1 ounce at all. Been buying, setting my portfolio up for a place where I can get the coins that I want and the projects that I want at the right prices, and I am bullish all the way. We are seeing all-time highs in 2022. It's not going to come as soon as you think. It's not going to come in the way you think it's going to happen. Don't buy today. The market is green. Don't be buying on green days, even if you have to pay a little bit more. Just put that in your mind. Say, hey, I don't buy on green days. That's right. What I don't do it. Even I told Joe, I'm like, hey, I really want to buy VeChain right now, but even if I have to pay a little bit more, I don't buy on green days because I know a dip's coming, and that's when I'm going to hit it.
And the reason is because you don't want to be an American idiot.
Yes.
Don't buy on green days.
Yep.
That was a Green Day reference, ladies and gentlemen.
Green Day reference. Just don't want to be just an idiot.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well,
what do you think? What do you think?
I love what you're saying. Unfortunately, I disagree with you. I really do feel
he is still bearish, people.
That we are going to be going down.
People, he is still bearish.
30K.
So you think 30K? Then I have a feeling that we're going to go below 40K for sure. But I'm still a bull. Are you bearish after that even?
Yeah. 30K. I've said it a couple of times. Between 17 and 25K, I think is going to be the bottom. But 30K, if it hits that, we're getting the old spankaroo, in my opinion.
Hey, Carrie, taxes. There was a great article yesterday on Cointelegraph or CoinDesk. So. Great article, Guide to 2022 Taxes. It's awesome. And we're going to have another tax lawyer guru hopefully in here this weekend.
Yeah.
So we'll help you out there too.
And we had that article actually up yesterday in our live stream. So if you do have questions on that, you can always refer back to that or just type it into Google. You should be able to find it.
All right, so I got one last question before we end this because I know we got to get rolling.
Let's hit it.
What is going to make you bullish? What is going to finally turn Joe P bullish? Because you've been bearish too. Y'all would give you that fairness.
Yeah. What's going to turn me bullish is not the fact of closing above 46. I think it would be to have a weekly close above 48. If we close an entire week above 48, I'm going to say, you know what? I was wrong, guys. I was thinking something, showed me a couple things on the chart here, but unfortunately, I'm in the opposite direction now. So that is my stipulation. If we close an entire week above 48, I'm saying we going up.
All right. You guys heard it. That's what we're going to end it on today. We always appreciate you guys rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. We are out.
Boom.